So there's a few ways in which Stravinsky changed music in the 20th century through his composition, The Rite of Spring. So we've got melody, the use of chromatic melody instead of pretty major melodies, the use of dissonant, diminished chords again, instead of, you know, the normal tonality of major or normal minor chords. His use of the orchestra, so how he changed and stretched the instrumentation and the range of the orchestra. And one important thing as well is his use of rhythm and this idea of syncopated rhythms. Syncopation being beats that are off the beat. So we have a normal 1, 2, 3, 4 beat running through most compositions, certainly of around that time. What Stravinsky does is he changes it and mixes it up and uses syncopation, which is playing in between the beats, so in between the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So halfway through in comes this sort of tribal beat, which kind of sounds like this: bam, ba, bam, ba, bam, ba, bam. It kind of almost sounds like a hip-hop track or like a Bhangra track or something like that. So it's really, really interesting use of rhythm, bearing in mind this is early 20th century. So we've got melody, harmony, use of the orchestra, use of syncopation, all to incite this riot in Paris in the early 20th century. Stravinsky's The Rite of Spring. Thank you.